What's in my bag? I just got it from Max. It was a new launch for autumn, I guess. It's such a cute little bag. It has this golden detailing going on. Price was on the higher side. I posted a picture of this on Insta stories to ask you guys if this bag was really cute enough for me to buy. And some of you girls replied to get it, and hence this bag. This was originally for 699 rupees. This pom-pom detailing going on and a cute little tassel detailing. Along with this gold detailing, it has a golden zip, just enough to carry the day's essential. I really love this bag. Before we head start, if you're somebody watching me new, I'd be really glad if you could just subscribing to my channel. Just go ahead, hit the subscribe icon, giving your mail ID, and get notified every Tuesday and Friday whenever I post a new video. So now let's get started. I've already filled it up with stuff and I've already taken it out as well. So I'm going to be going through what exactly I have in this bag in no particular order. The first thing comes is my mobile phone. So I have this cute little rose gold case phone. So this is an iPhone. This color almost looks same, but I really love the color of the rose gold. So this is it. Next thing that I have in my bag, which I really love the most, is my wallet. So this is my current wallet. I really love this. From this wallet, I was so happy to find it. The color combination is really good. It's of the brand Holy. When you open, it has my ID, my bank card, and it has detailing to put my cash, and it has a zip here as well. So I really love this wallet. It's the right size to carry all my essentials. I really love it. Next thing that I have in my bag is lip balm. My favorite lip balm is my Baby Lips Electro Pop Pink Shock. I love this lip balm. It's such a cute little shade. It gives a very good color on the lips. It's so subtle, but at the same time it looks so cute. So this is one of my favorite lip balm. I carry it everywhere and I use it all the time. Next thing that I have is obviously my tissue. I have a very oily skin. It just takes a matter of an hour to get my skin oily. To combat that, I have this facial tissue. So I have this origami 3-ply facial tissue, which I really love. It's just a dry tissue. I just pat it up on my face. It just soaks up all the oil and instantly my face looks really bright. I really love this thing. I've been using it for almost 5 years. I really love it. I just don't go anywhere because next thing that I have in my bag is my comb. So I carry this wooden comb wherever I go. So this is from the brand Roots. So this is the comb that I use. It's a white tooth comb. I really love this. So this is what I use. I don't use any plastic or any other material comb on my scalp. At home I use this. So when I travel also I use this, like compact size. It just fits right in my wallet. This comb is really good. I love it. The thing that I have in my wallet is my L18 matte lip color. So this is in the shade Code Red. I really love this L18 matte lip colors. This is amazing, so affordable. They're so cute lipsticks are these. The color it gives is amazing. The payoff is really good. It stays for a long time. Do check out my review on the L18 Color Pops, which I'll link it above. Make sure to check it. I have some 5 or 6 amazing shades. All the shades are really good. Like kajal. So I always use L18 kajal or Nykaa Rock the Line kajal. So you can just throw it in your bag. The next thing that I have, hair clip. So this hair clip is always there in my wallet. So I'll show you this hair clip. It's very special to me because this is gifted by my friend Jalak. She is super amazing, super talented. She has actually customized by herself. So this is just a basic clip, but she has wrapped it up with all the cute colorful cloth to make it look super cute. So regular clips, but she has actually customized it by herself. I carry all the time. It can go on with any outfit, so I really love it. The thing that I have in my wallet is probably a hair tie. It's some receipt I have, I don't know, some kind of bill. Oh, there is also another smaller zip here. I have some coins inside. That's it. My bag is empty. So these are the things that I carry in my bag. So again, I really love this cute pom-pom detailing going on. So I do carry my camera with me, and it exactly fits into my bag, and it actually can carry my wallet, camera and phone. Great when I'm traveling, and this is something a perfect addition to me. That completes my what's in my bag. So this is my day bag. This is my daily wear bag. Do check out my Instagram page at Aditi Iyer to find the behind the scenes Insta stories and all the regular updates that you get much before YouTube. So if you don't want to miss all of this, then definitely do check out my Insta stories. I hope you enjoyed watching this video. If you did, then do give it a like and share it with your friends. Tune into my channel every Tuesday and Friday at exact 9 p.m. to find me with a new video. And before we sign off, if you still haven't subscribed yet, go ahead, hit the circle icon on my face on to get instantly subscribed. Thank you so much for staying around.